back on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make the meatloaf. Easy, simple and tasty, and also it's a healthy. Please watch this video from begin until the end, and please subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to give me a feedback on the comment column. Thank you everyone. I will show you all the ingredients. Let's start with minced meat, 800 gram, little bit chicken flavor, little bit nut muscat, like this, okay, and little bit pepper, little bit salt, and 3 pieces of garlic, fresh garlic, shallot of red onion, and 3 pieces of bread, the multi-cereal bread, because this bread is contained with a lot of fiber and is really good for the digestive system. And I use the olive oil. I will marinate or mix all the ingredients together. Chicken flavor, add the chicken flavor in, nut muscat, and pepper, salt, and all meat is contained with a wheat. In Dutch language is a wheat, in English is protein. Protein is really good to make your cell. Cut small pieces of the garlic. And the fresh garlic is contained of a really good for your blood circulation. Here. Okay. And then the shallot. This type of the red shallot of the red onion is more healthy because contained with riboflavin and also has vitamin C on it. Okay. In Dutch language, the name of this meatloaf is Gehakt. Small pieces, cut small pieces of this, of the bread, the multi-cereal bread. If you prefer to use a white bread or just the other type of bread, it's okay. And cut it the rest of the multi-cereal bread, small pieces, and mix it here. And I add a little bit of olive oil, like this. Okay, it's more easy if you use hand to mix this, but don't forget to wash your hand before. Now mix it. Make sure you mix all the ingredients all together. a shape like this. Okay. If you have a children at home, they will be happy to eat this because it's so tasty and easy to make it also at home. So in this recipe, I will contain with vitamin C, have a fiber, and also have a protein. It's good to make your immune system higher, to boost your immune system. If you are interested to watch my vlog, is vlog in Belgium, and please subscribe, like and share. It's done, and then I will fry this. Switch on the fire. Okay, and add the olive oil. Not too much. Wait until the oil hot. Every time if you fry something, the meat or whatever it is, it's better if you use just little bit oil, because if too much oil, it will be cholesterol of too much fat. Okay. But it's up to you. If you prefer to use more oil, it's okay. That is for your health. Think about your health first, okay? Now the oil is warm. And switch off the fire. Okay. And then put this one by one here. this, put it in oven like this. In the oven. Okay, for 10 minutes. This is the result. Look yummy, delicious, tasty, easy, delicious, and simple, right? What do you think about my recipe? Please give me a feedback, and please like, subscribe and share. Please let me know on the comment column. Thank you everyone to watch my video today. If you're interested, please take a look to my playlist, and hopefully to see you again on my next video. Thank you everyone. Have a great day, and greeting from Belgium. Bye. See you again.